Hi, and welcome to Mattercast, starring Bella, Alyssa, and Ria.
Hi, and welcome to Mattercast. And today, we're going to have two special guests join us to help explain what matters. Here they come. So, what exactly is matter?
Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and volume is the amount of space an object takes up.
How do you measure mass and volume?
Ria will demonstrate using a TVV and a ruler.
Okay, so let's say you want to measure volume first of this little cube. Basically what you would do, you would take this and you would use a ruler to measure cubic centimeters and to measure the length, width, and height. Once you measure this, and in this case it's 1 centimeter for length, width, and height. You would multiply all of them together to equal 1, and that means that 1 is the amount of cubic centimeters for the volume. And let's say you want to find the mass of it. You would put it on the pan, and this is the hundreds beam, the tens beam, and the ones beam. You would move the ones beam first till the line over here matches up with the 0-point line. In this case, it's 1.2, and 1.2 is the amount of grams for the mass of this little cube.
Thank you for showing us that. That was really helpful. The next question I have is, what is the difference between an element and a compound?
Well, an element is one pure substance that cannot be broken down into any smaller pieces to create another substance. And a compound is when two or more elements are chemically combined together to make any substance. And they cannot be broken apart. And Ria will demonstrate elements and compounds using only Legos.
Okay. So, let's say let's represent models using Legos. So let's say let's say we're trying to find the formula H2O. The dark gray are hydrogen and the light gray oxygen. When you separate these Legos, see, this is an element because it cannot be broken down to any other substance. It's one pure substance and it cannot be broken down. When you add all of this in, this is a compound because it can be broken down to 1 molecule of oxygen and 2 molecules of hydrogen. And this is a model and symbol of H2O and represents H2O.
Thank you for showing us that. My last question today will be, what is the difference between a mixture and a compound?
Well, if you think about it, they are kind of the same at the same time they're not. A mixture is when two or more elements are in the same place. Two or more elements are in the same place, but they can be easily taken apart. A compound is when they're chemically combined together and they cannot be taken apart. And to close our show, Bella and Ria will demonstrate a physical and chemical change using paper.
There's a black guy in the back.
Alright. So let's go and do the chemical change first. Let's say you burn a paper. It will equal kind of like that and make up a kind of like that. This is a permanent change. You cannot make this back into regular paper once it's burned down. When they burn down, it forms into ash. And Bella will show you a little bit of the ash that you get when you do this. And that's some of the ash. And this is a chemical change. And now Bella will show you a physical change.
Okay, as you just saw, that was a chemical change. Chemical change, I'm going to include the chemical change in the demonstration I'm going to show you. See, here's paper. Say you want to rip it, because you don't need it anymore. Well, if you rip it, it's a physical change. But you can still put it back together. It is not permanent, unlike a chemical change. Chemical change is permanent. So, even if you were to rip it again, nothing will be changed. Because, well, it will be changed. But, it's a physical change. And then, if you were to burn it, then it would be a chemical change. And it would be permanent. Thank you for watching our show.
Tune in next time.
Tune in next time.
Credits: Paul, me, the cameraman and storyboard; Alyssa, scriptwriter and actress; Ria, props and actress; Bella, actress and reporter. That's all the time we have for today, folks. Bye.